9.
9. Now 9.
Please open. Yeah. Good enough. 10.
That's it. Only 10.
We're done. We're done.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm melting the sugar to make the caramel pop. Now we're gonna add the evaporated milk and condensed milk to the bowl of eggs. So now we're just adding the sweetened condensed milk.
Next time, say.
Yeah. We're gonna add 3 drops of pure vanilla extract. Yeah. 1, 2. We're gonna pour the mixture on top of the caramel. Filipino Leche Flan is steamed, so we're gonna put it in the steamer. Now we wait 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're gonna put the flan in the fridge. Now that we're done waiting, we can take it out of the fridge. Now we're gonna flip the flan. You know what? Good enough.